Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make a thin white wall into a thicker white wall. What you need is a grinder. I'm going to use an 80 grit wheel. Need a sander. I'm also going to use 80 grit sandpaper. Of course, safety glasses. And if you want, you can also use a mask. I mean, I don't really like them, but if you prefer not to smell rubber, then a mask, and the extra battery for my grinder. When you start grinding, just try to feel out, see how far it comes out to. Most tires are different, but try not to go out too far because then you're going to mess your tire up too. Just try to feel it out and then go around it and work around it. It's pretty easy. It's kind of hard to mess up. For this part, I'll wipe it down. See, as you can see, is white wall's already thicker. It does make a mess, but not so bad out here in the rocks. This is just the old tire. I just want to make an example. Next step that I like to do, I mean, you don't have to do it if you don't want, but I use the sander, 80 grit. So next thing I do is with the sander, 80 grit sandpaper. I do this. And that's the final result. This is just the old tire I had laying around. I just wanted to make a video, so that's the final result. You would clean it if you were gonna mount it, but yeah, don't be like me and use a battery grinder. So I had to go and get the other grinder, the electric grinder, so that's always better. So always go with the electric grinder.